One more good thing happened in the commercial world, commercial sector, corporate sector of India, and NPA, especially NPA loans of banks. That is, JSW Steel Company has acquired Bhushan Power and Steel Company, for which the JSW Steel Company has paid 19,350 crores to the bankers, to the lenders of Bhushan Power and Steel Company, and a settlement so that the entire assets of the Bhushan Power and Steel Company will be taken over by JSW Steel Company, and that will become the largest steel manufacturing company of India. So, Indian corporates are helping hands, are supporting to acquire the other manufacturing units to ensure that the manufacturing sector will not be disturbed, manufacturing process will not be affected because of. With this acquisition, one more steel company, one of the major large steel company, Bhushan Power and Steel, was protected and taken over by JSW Steel Company, and one more large manufacturing unit is protected from being closed or lose the loss of employment and disturbance to manufacturing sector. And with this acquisition step, the employment is protected, consumers are protected, suppliers are protected, even lenders are also protected. So this is one of the great example for making the manufacturing unit survive, perform, profitable, and also revive if any closed opportunity, even if closed unit is also there. So the NCLT, the step taken by Insolvency and Banking Code procedures to giving time to the entrepreneurs, to borrowers to settle or to sell their assets to another company is becoming or showing good results of acquisition and continuation of manufacturing process to not to affect the manufacturing sector, and also entrepreneurs' confidence will improve because of the performance, because of the acquisition, as well as the relieve borrowers from the lenders. Of course, the borrowers may be under obligation to repay the balance, but the manufacturing sector is protected with the acquisition. So this is another advantage of Insolvency and Banking Code procedure under the directions, under the orders passed by National Company Law Tribunal to ensure that the no manufacturing unit will be closed or ceased to operate, and to continue to perform, not to lose employment, continue to ensure benefit to the commercial benefit to the company, investors, as well as to society. So with this step, the lenders are protected by lenders could recover 19,350 crores from the borrowers, and the balance may be recovered from the other co-borrowers or other assets of the company, non-commercial assets of the company in future. So this is both relief to the lenders, also entrepreneurs, and also image development for the corporate world of India, as well as the Indian entrepreneurs and Indian investors also, and also India can become investment destination for globally. This is one of the advantage of this process of acquisition, allowing acquisition to take over assets of the defaulted company to continue the manufacturing operation.